Hello guys, I'm Tim Klink with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. And today we're doing a Invincible Roof on a Tiffin product. And you can see on this roof, this was a paint-on sealant. Supposedly the last time you ever have to seal the roof again. And again, this is not a spray-on, this is actually a paint-on. And if you take a look through the whole thing, you're going to see the paint is just basically peeling right off. And what it is when you actually paint a product, whether you're painting fiberglass, whether you're painting rubber, it is just a topical coating that is a temporary fix or a temporary seal that more or less just makes a cosmetic correction to the vehicle. It does not make it watertight. It does not end the problems of a leaking roof in an RV. It's a temporary band-aid fix. So if you take a look at the coach, we're going to show you some more pictures on this, and we'll lay it out with what is wrong with the coach. We're going to be spraying in a complete lifetime warranty roof system on this coach, including our ceramic top coat, which inhibits the temperature of the sun to keep the coach cooler as well. And that is our proprietary invention here at MasterTech. Reviewing this roof a little bit further on to show you the points of failure, this has got a roll-up awning on the side with an adapter to the roof, which is commonly known for leaking because normally when the manufacturer puts it on, they just screw it to the top and they run some sealant around the edges. And this is actually sitting on top of the radius corner. So we will permanently end that problem with this coach. Also, what we're going to be doing, you can see how up in the front corner it's actually collecting water. In fact, along that entire awning edge, it is actually collecting water. We will correct all of that with the spray-on roof. Invincible Roof. We're going to be removing the satellite dish, removing the wire that physically what they did is they put it on and they ran it all the way up to the front cap. At MasterTech, we don't do that. We actually run the wiring within the roof. So that ends problems alongside the satellite dish as well. We're going to be putting a new Razor antenna on it, as that antenna there is got some plastic that actually mounts to the roof that is commonly known for cracking along the side. So we'll permanently end that as well. The ACs come off, the vents come off, we put a new refrigerator vent on it, we put a new skylight on it with our adapters, and we end the problems here. At MasterTech, we are America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and warranty center.